Okay, let me change to different color. Okay, in Illustrator, there are 3 type of drawing mode. Okay, ada 3 jenis drawing mode. The default one is draw normal. Okay, draw normal is every time you create an object, okay, the new object will be placed on top of your previous object. Okay, that is the default one. Okay, then we have a draw behind. Okay, let's say I want to draw behind this object. Okay, nak draw behind this object. So I can click the draw behind and then the draw behind. Let me change to different color so that you can see better. Okay, bila saya lukis, nampak tak? Dia akan automatically place behind the object. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me remove this one. Then we have a draw inside mode. Okay, so draw inside. Okay, if you, let's say I have a object here and I want to draw inside the object. Okay, let's say I nak draw circle dekat sini. I want to draw a circle at the edges, but only the center area yang visible. Okay, contohnya, okay, let me change to yellow. Right. Okay, I nak draw a lot of circles inside this rectangle. So click draw inside. Okay. When you are inside, when you use a draw inside mode, okay, you'll get a dash line at the corner. You nampak tak dash line ni? Okay. This means, okay, you are inside the draw inside mode. And every time you create an object, nampak tak? Okay, let me change to white. Orange. Okay, so every time you draw an object, okay, hanya area tengah ni saja yang visible. Okay, bila you draw dekat sini, okay, area luar daripada kotak ni dia jadi invisible. You guys tak clear Guys, can you hear me? Dia putus-putus ke?
Clear, dengar, clear.
Okay, alright. Okay. Oh, saya dapat your internet connection is unstable. I'm not sure why, kenapa. Okay. So, draw inside mode ni, technically, draw inside mode ni dia macam automatically mask your object. Dia macam automatically crop your object. So, everything, any object or portion of your object outside of these boundaries, dia akan jadi invisible. Okay. Alright. So if you are done, you have to click back the draw normal mode. Okay, lepas sudah certified this with the result, okay, macam you nak, okay. You have finished drawing. You have to select back the draw normal mode. Okay. Click back the draw normal mode. Okay, so kalau you still in draw inside mode, okay, you setiap kali you split object, dia akan berada dalam you punya objek ni. Okay, so kalau kita nak buat objek lain, kita nak buat objek separate objek, okay, so kita kena select balik, kita kena klik draw normal. Okay, so now kalau if I move this object, nampak tak dia dah all the objects are grouped together. Okay, let's say I want to modify something, or I want to add another object inside the object. select this rectangle, you have to double click it to enter isolation. Double click ni, okay. Let's say I want to draw different color. Okay. Nampak tak? You still able to do that. Okay. Alright. After you are done, you have to double click back the background to exit isolation mode. Okay. Or you can click the back button here. Okay. Dalam isolation mode, you will notice that other objects, okay, will nampak wash out macam ni kan. Okay. And you'll get ke dalam isolation mode ni, you akan dapat panel, this grey panel with back button. Okay, so you boleh click, you can either double click the background, the blank background to exit isolation mode, or you can click the back button here to exit isolation mode. So you have to click it again and again until it disappears. Okay. Okay. All right, next is rounded rectangle tool. Okay, basically it's a rectangle with rounded corner. Okay. So if you use oldest illustrator, old version illustrator, example CS6, okay. You cannot change the size of your corner after you have created it. Okay. Kalau dalam CS6 kan kelas, you tak boleh adjust size corner ni. Okay. Alright, let's say if you want, if you are CS6 user and you want to make the corner more rounder and bigger, okay, when you click and drag your mouse, okay, saya sekarang ni saya tengah select ni rounded rectangle tu. Okay, you press up button to increase the size of the round corner at the edge, at the corner. Okay, press up button to make it more rounder. Press down button to decrease the size of the round corner. So if you press, I'm still holding my mouse. Okay, if I press my left arrow key, okay, dia akan sharp balik, can go back to sharp corner. Okay, if you press right arrow key, that is the maximum level that you can get. Okay, that is the maximum size of the round corner. Okay. All right. Okay, okay, let me remove this. Okay, let me create a rectangle. Okay. Okay guys, this is a corner widget. Okay, yang macam mata ni, macam mata ikan ni. Okay. This is a corner widget. Okay. This is a corner widget. Okay, we use a corner widget to adjust the size of the corner. Change the size or change the shape of the corner. Okay, in ACA exam, okay, there's one question. Okay, you need to they give size of the corner, let's say 30 pixels, and they ask you to change the size of the corner to 30 pixels, for example. Dia ada value dia, dia ada size dia. Okay. So if you have a specific value, okay, let's say I want all my all my corner have 30 pixels round corner, 30 pixels. Okay, so you boleh select the object. Okay, select using your direct selection tool. Okay, why I use my direct selection tool? Because I want to make this option available on my control panel. Okay, dekat sini tak ada Dekat properties tak ada. Okay, sebab tu saya suka guna control panel sini. Okay, dekat sini tak ada. Dia ada kok dekat sini. This one ada. Okay. Dekat properties is under transform panel kat sini. These three dots. Okay. Alright. So the question asks you to change the corner to, let's say, 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter corner. So use your dot ni, ingat guys. Okay, kalau you guys lucky, you akan dapat soalan ni lah. Select your direct selection tool. Select the object and then okay, they want you to change to 10 centimeter. Change the corner to 10 centimeter. So you just ni press 10 centimeter and then press enter. Oh, it's too much lah. Okay, maybe around 1 lah, 1 centimeter. Okay. Sebab dokumen saya kecil sebab tu dia jadi macam tu. Okay. Alright. Sebab saya punya size, saya punya objek ni pun kecil. So bila saya 10 cm is too, dia tak boleh lah. Sebab paling maksimum is 3.2 cm. Alright. So you can adjust the type of the corner. Okay. Selain daripada round ni, kita boleh buat shape lain juga. Okay, kita ada round corner, inverted round and bevel, chamfer. Macam bevel kot. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, actually dekat kalau you guna selection tool pun boleh. Okay, this under shape. Okay, it's under shape. So if you want all your corner have 1 centimeter rounded corners, so you check this one. Kita check ni sebab saya nak semua corner ni in 1 centimeter. So type 1 centimeter. Okay. Alright. So if you increase the value, all the corners will change. Guys, okay, this one kan, okay, this one kalau let's say you kena buat satu-satu lah this one. Saya tak tahu kenapa Adobe, okay, dia tak, kita tak boleh buat dia serentak. Okay, boleh actually tapi bukan guna yang ni. Okay, let me convert back to round. Okay, if you press alternate key, okay, I'm selecting my object. If you press alternate key and then click this widget, this round widget button, so you click, it will change all the corners to different type of corner. Okay. Okay. For let's say I want this one, the top right corner, top left corner and bottom right corner. I want to make it sharper. Okay. Saya nak yang these two, anak yang dua ni jadi rounded. Okay. So you can use your there are several ways how to do that. Okay. You can use your shape option here. And then you boleh uncheck yang ni and then type 0. Okay. You can do that or you can use your direct selection tool. You just highlight the corner that you want to change. So in this case, saya nak tukar yang ni dengan yang ni je. Yang ni saya memang nak dia rounded. So okay, I have selected these two corner and then drag out to make it sharper, or drag inward to make it rounder. Okay, okay, ingat guys, soalan ni keluar. Okay, dia akan tanya, please change the round corner, the round corner of the object to 5 centimeter, for example lah. So you click dekat sini. Alright. Then we have a circle. Okay. If you want to create a perfect circle, click and hold down Shift key. It will constrain the shape. Okay. Okay, if you want to create a line of circles, ada banyak line, ada banyak circle kat sini. Okay, you can select. Kalau kita dah ajar dah ni, tapi kalau you guys lupa, cuba you guys pay attention. I want to create a line of circles. Okay, so select your object, hold down alternate key, hold down, do not release it yet. Click and drag. While holding down, I hold on my Shift key to move the object into a straight line. Okay. After that, press Control D. That's how we do it. Okay. And then we have a polygon. Okay. By default, you will get a 6 sides of polygon. Okay. You can increase the number of sides by dragging up or dragging down this diamond at the right side of your bounding box. Okay. All right. If you use a CX6, okay, you don't have this diamond key, this diamond lah, okay, kita ada. So kalau you nak, you tak boleh adjust you punya polygon. Okay, you tak boleh adjust dia punya the number of sides in your polygon. So you have to draw a new one. Okay. So, and let's say while drawing a polygon, you can press up arrow key to increase the number of the side, or down arrow key to decrease the number of side of your polygon. Okay. Or let's say if I want to create a X side of polygon, you can just click once on your artboard. Klik sekali. Okay, decide lah 8. And click OK. Alright, then we have a star. Okay guys, please pay attention to this sebab dia akan keluar. Ni dia akan tanya the star tu. Okay. By default, you'll get this. You will get a star with 5 points. Okay. Dia akan tanya, soalan ni dia akan tanya how to make a longer star points, how to make these points longer. Okay. So while drawing, if you want to make the star points longer, while drawing, you have to press Control key on your keyboard. Hold down Control key on the keyboard to make it longer or shorter. Okay, jangan risau you boleh guna shortcut key. You boleh guna shortcut key. Okay. Wow. Okay. To increase the number of points, okay, kita nak tambah dia punya star point tu. Okay, while drawing, press up arrow key. Okay, down arrow key to decrease the number of points. Right. Control key to adjust the size of your points. Adjust the size, okay, not the number. Ingat guys, this one. Okay. If you hold down shift key guys, okay, you'll get okay, kalau you tak hold down shift key, dia punya star ni macam sengit sikit lah. Okay. Ingat kalau you nak if you want your star perfectly straight, okay, dia punya baseline ni straight, you hold down shift key. Okay. Alright. So let's say, okay, this one nanti dia akan tanya. Okay, dia suruh, yes, pay attention, okay. Okay, the question is you need to change the outer corner of the points, okay, the outer corner to rounded. Macam mana tu? Senang je, okay. You just use your direct selection tool. Okay, dia nak outer corner. This is outer corner. Okay, outer corner of the star. This is the inner corner of the star. Okay guys. Yang ni adalah inner corner. Dekat luar ni adalah outer corner. So the question is, they want you to convert the outer corner to rounded. Okay, so you have to select lah. Select the anchor point at the outer corner. Jangan select this one. So use your direct selection tool. Okay. Then kalau dia ada size ni, kalau dia bagi size, dia suruh okay, make it 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter rounder. So you have to use your ni lah, your control panel 1 centimeter. Okay. 0.5 lah. Too much. Maybe 0.1. Okay. Kalau tak ada value, you just, kalau dia tak tulis value, dia tak put the value, so you just boleh click this corner widget and make it rounder. Okay. Ingat soalan ni guys. Alright. Next is, okay, what else? Okay. Nanti kan dia, kalau if you're lucky, okay, dia akan tanya, dia ada objek, okay. They want you to change the angle of the object to specific amount lah. Let's say 32 degrees. Okay. So they want you to adjust, change the angle of the object to 32 degree. So you can use your properties panel here. Okay. This one to change the angle. 32. Enter. Okay, soalan ni macam tu je. Okay. Or you can use your transform on your control panel. 32. Alright. Alright. All right. Okay, let me remove all the objects on cardboard. Okay. If you want to merge, or subtract objects, okay, there are several ways how to do that. Okay, you can use your shape builder tool, or you can use Pathfinder panel on the window menu. Okay, let's say I want to merge these two shapes, these two circles, so that it become a single shape. Okay, you can use your Pathfinder. You can click the unite icon to merge these two, or you can use the shape builder tool. You just highlight area that you want to merge. You just scribble, you just drag your mouse. Okay. If you want to subtract, to remove certain areas, you want to say, I want to create a moon shape. I only want this shape. Okay. I want to remove these two shapes. So select your shape builder tool. Hold down alternate key. Okay, hold down alternate key to remove or subtract the area that you do not want. Okay, or you can use your pathfinder here. Okay, minus front. This minus front ni, if you use a minus front, objek kat depan ni dia akan dia akan subtract based on the front object. Okay, so we select the object. So this is the front, this is the circle on, this is the front one, front shape. So bila you click the minus front, dia akan buat lubang kat situ. Okay, dia akan buat lubang dekat objek paling atas sekali. Right? Okay, but this shape builder tool ni dia lagi convenient lah, shape builder tool ni, because you can let's say I want to remove this area, okay, the middle part, the intersecting fields ni, intersecting overlap area. Okay, so if I want to remove this area, I can hold down alternate key and then click at the center. Okay. All right. Or let's say if you have a multiple objects that you want to merge, okay, you can use your shape builder tool. Just drag your mouse, then release to merge it. Okay. But if you have lot of objects that you want to merge, maybe more than 10, and you want to merge in once, you better use Pathfinder panel. Okay, better guna unite ni lah, sebab lagi senang. Okay, sebab kalau guna shape builder tool ni dia ini untuk detail objek boleh lah. Okay, kalau detail objek senang lah. Okay, kalau guna shape builder tu, kalau saya I have a multiple objects that I want to merge, okay, this will take time. Kalau tak saya kena ambil masa. Okay, and some areas dia tak select. Okay, so better guna Pathfinder if you have lot of objects that you want to merge quickly. All right. Okay. Can you open this file? It's number 5 folder. Okay, basic shapes color. Okay, boleh tak saya nak you open file ni. Name basic shapes. Okay, double click to open the file. Okay guys, yang ni saya nak you lock. Saya lupa nak lock. Okay. Okay, saya tak nak you copy paste, okay? Jangan copy paste. Saya tahu size mata dia, dia punya ni rambut semua ni. Okay, jangan copy paste. Okay, saya nak you replicate the artwork using basic shapes and line. Okay, so dia punya size ni tak perlu sama. Jangan sama, okay? Nanti saya nak, okay, saya akan panggil salah seorang daripada you, saya nak tengok you punya work. Okay, boleh tak? Okay, semua warna ni. Okay. I thought I got disconnected. Okay. Alright, so all the colors, okay, dalam swatches panel. Okay, if you want to use different color other than these colors, you can go to your swatch libraries menus and then select default swatches and then choose art illustration. Okay, tak saya nak awak replicate balik. Jangan sama guys. Jangan copy paste. Okay, saya tahu you guys kalau copy paste tak. Okay. Okay, I want you to start now. Okay, boleh tak? Nak dengar salah seorang volunteer cakap dia?
Boleh.
Yes.
Boleh.
Tak dengar.
Hamba cuba.
Boleh.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, you can start now. I will give you around 20 minutes to do this. Okay? Nanti saya nak one of you volunteer. And anak you share screen. Okay, you punya kerja lah. Okay, you can start now.
Nak tracing je ke macam mana?
Sorry?
Nak tracing balik semua ni. Ke boleh buat bentuk lain ke macam mana?
Boleh juga. Okay, kalau you guys nak buat shape lain pun tak apa. Dia punya rambut ni nak dia panjang ke, okay? Nak dia lagi besar ke boleh. Atau you nak tukar warna lain pun tak apa. Lagi better. Okay, nanti saya nak tengok. Boleh tak? Atau you boleh, okay, lepas siap, okay guys, I want you to upload it to on the chat. Okay? Kalau you nak save you punya dokumen ni, you want to export to JPEG, go to file menu and then choose export. Okay? You can choose export for screens. Okay? Okay, because we have two artboards here. So, okay, so this one lah, ini saya punya. So you check this one, you boleh bagi nama. Okay, you letak nama you. Okay, contoh Amir. Amir. Okay. And then, so you create, kalau you want to create a new folder and you want to place inside the folder, you can do that. Okay, and then click, just leave others as default. Okay, and then click export artboard. Okay, nanti anak you place, dah siap nanti, I want you to place your, you punya kerja tu dalam Zoom, on a Zoom chat. Boleh tak? Hello guys, boleh tak?
Hamba cuba.
Okay, alright.
Boleh.
Okay, I give you 20 minutes to do this. Okay, 20 minit Alright. I tengah tengok Huda punya. Wow. Wow, Alan. I love yours. Saya suka Alan punya kelakar. Very nice lah.
Yeah, do something different, ma. I think that is the way.
Wow, look so angry. Ini Alan punya. Macam clown ya. More like a clown. Nice lah. Okay. Okay, how about others? Let's see. Sekejap susah sikit lah. Okay, alright. Okay, this is Huda punya. Okay. Okay, Huda. Okay. Saya tengok Huda dia, okay, saya tengok ramai yang copy paste this one, betul tak? Ramai tak tahu buat macam ni, betul tak? Okay, saya perasan yang ni banyak yang you ada, some of you copy paste saya punya. Okay, tak apa, nanti saya ajar macam nak buat. Okay, let me paste other students' work. Siapa punya this one? Siapa punya Oh ni, no, this is Syamil punya. Okay. Ni Nazar punya. Okay, nice. Macam telinga gajah sikit. Okay, to create this kind of shape, okay, yang highlighted ni kan, okay. Alright, I create this shape from a circle with a stroke. Okay, one. Okay, so let me remove the fill. So if you want to remove the fill, kita nak buang fill color dia, kita klik dengan ni. Okay. The fill, and now I want to apply stroke. Okay, klik here. Pakai dia, and then change to this color. So macam mana kita nak, we want to only have, kita nak just a portion of the stroke. Okay. Okay, ada banyak cara. Okay, ada banyak cara. So you boleh, you can cut it, okay, using a scissors. Okay, scissors is to cut a path. Okay, contoh, let's say I want to, you can either click on the anchor point. Okay. You buat macam ni. Or you can click on the path itself. Dekat sini. Okay. Oops, saya terpotong. Saya potong dekat sini. Dekat sini. Oh, dia akan potong sekali sini lah. Alright. Okay. And then, okay, dia akan potong sekali the main anchor point ni. So if you want to merge this, you want to merge the path, you can use your join tool. Buat macam ni je, color macam ni je. Okay, now it's already connected. Okay, and then to get a rounded edge, okay, you can sekarang ni by default we'll get a straight edge. Okay, if you want to have a rounded edge, you can change that by going to stroke panel up here. Okay, you can select the stroke panel, or you can bring out the stroke panel from the window menu. Okay, kita nak dapatkan stroke yang round. Okay, kan bila saya guna zoom ni dia jadi macam lagging sikit. Okay. Okay. Saya tak share screen ke? Ya kan? Kan tadi saya share screen tak?
Share. Ada.
Yeah, we see all
Hello
everything.
guys. Okay, tadi saya share screen kan?
Share.
Okay.
All the way.
Okay, alright. And then, okay, we want to get a rounded edge, okay, at the corner of your path. Okay, by default, you'll get a straight edge macam ni. Kalau nak tukar kepada rounded, you can do that by using stroke panel. Okay, dekat sini stroke panel, dekat sini pun boleh. Okay, this one. Or you can use your properties panel. This one. Okay, mana is stroke? Ini tak ada stroke lah, tapi you boleh klik dekat sini. Sebab tu saya tak suka sangat guna properties ni. Sini. Okay. So, kita klik dekat sini, use this round cap. Okay. So that you get a round edge on your path. Okay. Then, what else? Alright. Okay, guys. If you are lucky, okay, nanti ada soalan multiple choice lah. Multiple choice. They want you to match, okay, the tools, the erase tool ni, match dengan description dia. Okay, so, okay. We have three type of object, three type of tools that we can erase object or path. Okay, this is a eraser tool, scissors tool, and knife. So eraser tool, okay, let's say if you have a circle here. Okay, so eraser tool ni, okay, you can adjust the size of the eraser brush by double click it. Okay, you can adjust the angle or the roundness. Okay, size here. Or you can use your square bracket key to adjust the size. Okay, so we use eraser tool to erase the path. Okay, undo. Okay, a path. Okay, there are two type of path. Okay, this is a open path. Okay, kita panggil ni open path. Okay, kenapa kita panggil dia open path? Because dia terbuka macam tu. Okay, dia tak tutup, dia tak close. Okay, that's why we call it open path. We call this a closed path. Okay, eraser tool ni basically dia erase a closed path. Okay. Kalau dia tak boleh erase you punya open path.
Buat dia rekod kan ni?
Boleh Sekejap boleh lah. Pelik juga Okay, tak apa. Okay, my mistake. Tapi dia basically eraser tool ni dia bila you erase dia akan jadi macam ni lah.
Nak tengok lah sini. Tengok lah. ajar benda.
Guys, tolong mute. Please mute your microphone. I can hear your mom voice. Okay. And then, okay. Scissors tool is to cut a closed path. Open path. Sorry, saya pun kadang confused juga. Okay. Yeah, let me draw. Let's say I have a open path here. Closed path pun boleh sebenarnya. Okay. Dia basically dia akan potong path ni. The path. Dia punya outline, dia punya stroke tu. Okay. Kita cut. Okay. So, bila kita tarik keluar, nampak tak? Okay. A knife. Okay. A knife. Okay. Let's say I want to cut it into half. Okay. In irregular shape. Okay, saya nak cut ni separuh dalam shape yang dynamic lah, yang irregular. Okay, yang tak sekata. Contohnya macam ni. Okay. Okay. So ini adalah perbezaan tiga-tiga ni lah tools ni. Okay, this is to do this. Okay, to cut this, we use an eraser tool. Okay. If you want to cut a stroke, okay, on the path, you have to use scissors tool. Okay. So to use knife, okay, so kalau you nak potong macam ni kan, okay, you have to use knife tool. Okay. Alright. Okay, so far do you have any questions?
No.
No.
All good, all good.
Okay. Alright. Okay, let's explore stroke panel. Okay, stroke panel dia akan tanya, dia akan saya tak ingat lah. Soalan dia akan tanya how to please create a dash line. They will provide you a straight line or straight box, right? Itulah, okay, straight line. Straight line kot rasanya. Okay, saya tak ingat. Okay, so they want you to create a dash line from a straight line given. Okay, so you can create a dash line by using stroke panel. Okay. And then, okay, I just use the stroke panel from the window menu. Okay, dia sama je. And then, check the dash line. To create a dash line, to create a dash line. Okay. Oh, baru saya teringat. Dia akan tanya, please create like a 50-point dash line. Dia akan tu. So you just put the 50 point here on the first box. Yang lain jangan adjust, guys. Okay, yang lain jangan adjust. Just put the value inside the first dash box. Okay, dash box. Okay, let me change the cap to butt cap. Okay, and then that's it lah. Okay, let's say by default, okay, if you put the value inside the first box, which is dash box, you'll get a 15-point dash and 50-point gap. You can dapat a size dash dengan gap yang sama. But if you want have a different size of gap, let's say for the gap, you want to make it narrow. You nak gap dia punya spacing dia kecil je. So you can put the value here. Okay, let's say I want to make the gap tighter, okay, lagi close, narrow. So put the value here. Okay, if you want to have alternate size, okay, let's say for the first dash you nak 15 point, and the second dash you want to make it a bit longer, so you boleh letak dekat sini. Let's say for the second dash I want to double the size of the first dash. You want to see? Macam tu. So you will get the kenapa macam ni? Sekejap. Okay, so you get the, it's so weird lah. 15. Let me check. Okay guys, tak apalah, this one you just, okay, saya tak tahu kenapa saya punya illustrator ni. Okay, just dia takkan tanya yang lain tau, dia akan tanya, okay, please create a 15 like 10 point dash, okay, size. So you just letak dekat first box je, yang lain jangan letak. Okay. Alright, and then you can also create an arrow with a tail by using this box, by clicking this box. Okay. Okay, if you want to adjust the size, okay, saya punya arrow dengan saya punya tail ni terlampau besar, so saya nak adjust size dia boleh scale down using this box. Okay, so I want both of my arrow and the tail, I want to resize it at the same time, so saya klik kat sini, and maybe around 40%. Okay. Alright, let's say if you have a, okay, let's say if you have a rectangle, okay, you want to create a dash line border, so you click dash line. Okay, kalau you guys notice, nampak tak? Okay, saya punya corner, dash line dekat corner ni is not really nice. Nampak tak? Dia tak cantik lah, not nice lah. Okay, okay, if you want to make it nicer, okay, you want to make it nicer, okay, you have to click this one, the second, the second box, align dashes to corners and path end. Okay, so if you want to get a nice dash line at the stroke, okay, you gonna click this one, check this one. Okay, okay, all right, guys, so far do you have any questions?
All good. Thank you.
So far so good, semua okay ke?
Okay, faham.
Okay here.
All right, okay, good. Okay, guys. Okay, you guys then take a break and please come back at 2 p.m. All right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.